I have always been curious. What happens when a remapped Roadster goes head-to-head with the original Brabus? And to find out, we first need to take a look at what's been changed on my Roadster to get its performance as close as possible to the Brabus version. If you want to see the full progress on the blue Roadster in detail, I put everything in a playlist. Every upgrade, every fix, every step so far. But here is a quick summary of the parts I changed so far. Throttle body removed and cleaned. Spark plug cables removed and replaced with the new one. Intake manifold removed and cleaned. Coil packs removed and replaced with performance one. Spark plugs removed and replaced. Exhaust removed and replaced with performance one. TIK pipe removed and replaced. New exhaust. Intake for the airbox. Solenoid valve for the turbo. Air temperature sensor for the manifold. Air filter replaced with OEM one. Airbox cleaned. Full service done. All filters changed, including oil filter and new engine oil. Gearbox oil replaced as well. Clutch actuator adjusted, cleaned and greased, and then reprogrammed with the Delphi. I already covered the differences between the standard Roadster and the Brabus, but let's refresh our memory with a quick clip from that video.
To achieve this, Brabus has fitted larger injectors, a performance exhaust system, and a Brabus turbo. There's even a larger TIK pipe and a charger cooler that uses water to cool the air going into the turbo, enhancing overall performance. Brabus has also reinforced the engine with stronger components like different pistons, natrium-filled exhaust valves, and improved bearings. This makes the Brabus not just faster but also more robust. The stronger clutch and reinforced engine internals ensure that the Brabus can handle the extra power and deliver a thrilling driving experience.
Alright, now that we covered the basics, it's time to see how these two Roadsters actually perform on the road. Unfortunately, due to a problem with the turbo solenoid, we weren't able to see how the Blue Roadster would compare to the Brabus. But I'm sure there will be another opportunity for Miro and me to drive on this beautiful road again. And no matter who ends up being faster, we will take home great memories from this trip and once again prove that the special cars bring special people together.